You can see here, glass all over the floor. Oh man, why do we have that nice cool breeze coming in? Because I broke the window, just like I told you. Max, your Journey Tribe, RV community, welcome back to the best camping channel on YouTube and on the planet. We have upgraded because you have hit that subscribe button. We're at 500 followers, 500 members of the tribe on YouTube. Check us out on Instagram. Today you're here because you might have broken your RV window just like I did. And this isn't the first time. This is the second time in about a month that I have broken a glass window. First was the house with the sliding glass window, pain in the butt. Luckily it was double pane. Now this one, I have broken the camper bedroom emergency window. And I tried calling a dealership. Oh, it'll be about a month. It'll be about 2 months. I tried going to look on Amazon. I did not find anything, but I went to YouTube and I found some crazy, horrible YouTube videos about how to fix it with plexiglass. So I'm going to make my own and I'm going to show you the details and step by step with a little voiceover to help you get a temporary fix that you can keep if you want to. But this is to get me through until the dealer can get us a brand new window for this Sunset Trail Keystone that keeps giving me some problems. Let's get it done.
Might not wanna lose your power.
Journey Tribe, we are inside. As you can see, glass all on the floor, so please use caution when doing this. It will be very messy. Probably want a handheld vacuum, also a flathead screwdriver or a little scribe to pick the little glass pieces out, and a trash can to catch it, or a safe place to catch it. I used the trash can that you see there underneath, and I still got tons of glass on the ground beneath me. That's the plexiglass that I have already traced. So this is how this works. This glass here has got shattered. Let me take you around. All right, other side, this glass has got shattered. Bam, knocked it out. All right, so there was glass everywhere. It fell into the trash can. It's all over the ground, as you can see down here. It's fine, I'll fix that part. So the dealership is giving me a tough time, saying it's gonna be a month, 2 months. I'm ordering one, but here you go. You got the window and you also have this rubber seal. There was glass everywhere. I took a flathead screwdriver, if you can see. I went along this plastic track or rubber track inside here. Now this is metal on both sides, so I still have to fit my plexiglass into the slide around here. Picked all the glass off, was able to get the rubber seal off. So I'm actually going to pull my rubber seal all the way off and get that rest of the little bit of glass out of there. As you can see, the glass still falling. Pull that all the way off because you can reinsert this, and I probably can go ahead and place it on the plexiglass and put it all in here together. So I got to do this because who wants to go a day when it's going to rain, a week when it's going to rain, a month when it's going to rain with a plastic bag on here traveling down the road? You might be in the RV business. Who wants to have a camper sitting idle and you got glass everywhere? Everywhere. So go ahead and just keep pulling that out. Wear gloves. Please use caution when doing this. I'm a professional because I did it this time right now. Not. Okay, so as you can see, this rubber seal right here is still perfectly fine. You can open it up, get all the glass out of that, and then place it around. Now with this plexiglass, this window right here is a 20 by 30. I measured it. If you call the dealership, they're going to want to know the size of your window, your VIN number, and all that good stuff, and they'll tell you it's a specialty part. It's coming from Oregon somewhere, yada, yada, yada. It's going to cost $100 some. Plexiglass was $33 at Lowe's. I can put some tin on here if I want, but this is to get me through. So I placed this up to the window and I actually traced around. Some of you guys want the details just like myself. So I traced around this lip because it goes inside of this area here. So I went around this outside line, traced it, and I wanted the least amount of cuts as possible. That's why there's none on top. That'll go right flush inside there. And I got the curves on each side. I didn't want to cut down to one side here. Less cuts, less mistakes I can make, right? And you always want to go maybe a little bit bigger just to be on the safer side, or cut perfectly to trim. Okay, so I'll get back to you guys with the rest of the video. Let me get some cutting done. Max, your Journey Tribe, RV community. I'm back with the window, the temporary fix window. Here we go. It is right here. You see it, right? It's right there. That's the window. That's the plexiglass, and what I did was very tricky in some spots. The plexiglass, you want to have a hard surface to put it on, and you want to make sure it's very stable when you go to cut it, or else it will chip away at the corners, which this one did. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of hidden in there behind the tape now. So I got it in there, and I actually cut it to the size of the inside the frame. It would not fit in this lip around the outside. So I got it inside there. I went and got black poster board to put behind it to give it that tinted look when you step back, when you're driving down the road. So it actually doesn't even stand out. People won't even really even notice unless they're up close here. This is where you get a little worried because you got this gap here. But seeing that this lip, that would take a lot of rain to get back inside there, and it should drain out of the bottom down here. Besides that, I put regular strong packing tape around the outside, and I went behind that and did the dark duct tape around the edges to keep it even more waterproof and just more stable when you're riding down the road. Now from the inside, that looks like a blacked out curtain. You can't even tell. So you guys let me know down in the comments what you think. If that was helpful, grab the plexiglass, use some black poster board, and have something stable to make those cuts on. I used a handsaw for mine. My jigsaw kept jumping too much and was cracking around the corner. So I used a handsaw and had to hack away at that bad boy until I got some smooth edges. That worked. Now, I did manage to reach the dealership. The dealer who I bought it from is ordering me one. It looks like it's going to run me about $200. That's probably just for the window. We didn't even talk about installing it. I'll do it myself and learn another lesson, and I'll do a video on that. All right, guys, we have reached the end of this video. I thank you guys again. Like I said, we got to get back to the good stuff, the fun stuff, camping. We will deal with that repair when we get to it. It will not slow us down from these trips. Max your journey. Thank you guys again. Hit that thumbs up so we can share it in the algorithm for YouTube, and hit that subscribe button because you want to stay in the loop. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Max your journey.
I'm just going with the gut. Never had a doubt. Felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective. I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now.